Hi guys, I'm Shulu Duo and I'll be taking you through a tutorial video of how to use YouTube and its various features properly to optimize your experience. So our YouTube has various tabs on the home button which can help you customize your experience based on your wants, on your desires, according to your mood. So you can watch other videos on street food, tourism, or even on politics or economics, etc. You also have the explore button where you can you have a lot of other tabs like trending, music, gaming, news, where you can access the videos according to that. And you also have the subscriptions page where you can watch videos or where you can get a comprehensive list of all the YouTubers to whom you've subscribed and whose videos you watch regularly on a regular basis. And next you have the notifications page where you have where you get regular video updates from your favorite YouTubers or from YouTubers you've subscribed to on the bell icon. You also have the library section where you can where you get a selection of various tabs where suppose for example you can access the history button where you can access a lot of the videos which you watched before, and you can also access the downloads tab where you can download videos or where you can watch videos after downloading at a later period. You also have the watch later option where you can save videos to be watched later. You also have the liked videos section where you can also make playlists of videos or music videos that you like. So now let's go to the account page and you can see definite features about your account, about paid memberships, about settings, etc., about changing your account, email ID account, etc. You can also get access to a YouTube Premium card where you have to pay only 130 per month to get access to watch music videos or any YouTube videos for ad-free. You can also go Incognito Tab where your entire browser or YouTube history will not be recorded, but can be seen easily by your employer or internet service provider. So you also have the settings page where you can get a lot of definite features, comprehensive features which can help you get a much more comprehensive experience, and can help you customize your usage of YouTube and better your experience. So now I'll be showing you one video to show you how you can subscribe, how you can watch videos and even get notifications. And you can also I will also be showing you how to save videos and how to like them and how to get more information and how to watch the comments to feel more in connection, to feel more connected with your with the other fans and with the other YouTube users who are watching the same videos as you. You can also share videos that you like with your friends, with your family members, and they have a lot of definite features where you can share videos according to different apps and messaging platforms that you have. You can also change the quality or the captions, etc., based on your internet speed or based on your desires and your preferences.